Now coming to construction of this rubber bellow. This type of rubber bellows are made mainly using EPDM rubber or neoprene rubber like this. First, one layer of EPDM or neoprene rubber of 3 mm thick is used like this. Then one layer of nylon fabric core sheet is used like this. Then another layer of again 3 mm thick EPDM or neoprene rubber sheet is used. Then one layer of nylon fabric core sheet is used, and then again one layer of 3 mm thick neoprene or EPDM rubber sheet is used. This is the arch area. So for bellow size up to 4 inch, the construction will be like this. 3 layers of neoprene or EPDM rubber sheet of 3 mm thick and 2 layers of nylon fabric core sheet. EPDM or neoprene rubber will provide the flexibility, and this nylon fabric core sheet will have pressure retaining capability and will provide the strength to the bellow. This is the cross-sectional area of this rubber bellow. For bellow size more than 6 inch, we should provide minimum 3 layers of nylon fabric core sheet and minimum 4 layers of neoprene rubber or EPDM rubber sheet. So for rubber bellow size up to 4 inch, we should provide minimum 3 layers of rubber sheet and minimum 2 layers of nylon fabric core sheet. And for rubber bellow size more than 6 inch, we should provide minimum 4 layers of rubber sheet and minimum 3 layers of nylon fabric core sheet. In the bellow arch area, finally 1 or 2 layers of or 3 layers of rubber sheet is provided. So finally bellow section looks like this. This area is called arch, and this is body of rubber bellow. Each rubber bellow should have minimum 2 numbers split retainer ring. This is one retainer ring and this is another retainer ring, and these two are end flanges. We may purchase it from the vendor or we can provide this counter flange separately. These 4 are stretcher plates mounted on the flange by bolting, and these two, this one and this one, is tie rod or control rod. So after installation we can tight the tie rod like this. Material of all these means retainer ring, companion flange, stretcher plate, nut, bolts, tie rod, everything should be specified as carbon steel with E-galvanized, and each tie rod should be provided with 8 nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means 4 nuts and 4 lock nuts.